Imagine describing your website idea in a prompt, and AI does the rest. That's design in 2026. No more hours spent on wireframes or prototypes. AI can generate UI, build prototypes, and even code. But with so many tools, which ones actually deliver? In this video, we're counting down the 10 best AI UI UX tools of 2026. Whether you're a designer, developer, or founder, these tools will transform your workflow. Let's dive in. First up, Attention Insight predicts where users will focus on your design. Before you launch, upload your design and get instant heat maps to optimize conversions and user flows. For data-driven designers and marketers, it's a must-have. Number 9 is Anima, the bridge between Figma and production-ready code. Export your Figma designs as responsive HTML, React, or Vue. No more endless handoffs. Anima keeps your designs true from concept to code. Number 8. Visili lets you create wireframes in minutes using AI. Start with a prompt, screenshot, or sketch. Visili turns it into editable wireframes instantly, perfect for brainstorming, workshops, or quick idea validation. At 7, Lovable turns your plain English idea into a working web app. No code needed. Get interactive prototypes you can test and share, ideal for MVPs and rapid feedback. Speed to market has never been easier. Next, V0 generates front-end code from your text prompts, React, Vue, and more. Iterate, tweak, and export code instantly, making prototyping and new projects a breeze. Developers can skip boilerplate and focus on building. Number 5. Relume AI is perfect for agencies and big projects. Generate sitemaps and wireframes from a prompt, plan projects, and iterate fast. Agencies use Relume to win pitches and streamline workflow. Number 4. Uizard turns text or sketches into digital prototypes in seconds. Snap a photo of a napkin sketch. Uizard's AI builds a wireframe you can edit and share. Great for quick mock-ups and team collaboration. At 3, UX Pilot is your AI design assistant inside Figma. Generate UI concepts, automate tasks, and get smart suggestions for usability and accessibility. Move fast without sacrificing quality. Number 2, Figma AI supercharges the industry-standard design tool. Generate layouts, components, and prototypes from prompts. AI handles the busy work. Figma AI is the backbone of modern design teams. And at number 1, Google Stitch. Describe your app, and Stitch generates high-fidelity, ready-to-use UI designs in seconds. It's changing how designers, developers, and founders build and launch products. Here's the secret. Combine these tools for a powerful workflow. Use Stitch for UI concepts, Figma for polish, Relume for structure, and V0 for code. AI isn't replacing creativity, it's unlocking it. Designers, try Figma, UX Pilot, or Uizard. Developers, check out V0 and Lovable. My pick for rapid UI exploration? Google Stitch. Which tool are you using in 2026? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more on AI tools and the future of design. See you next time.